In this video series, I'm going to go through David Kilpatrick's 1-minute drills. If you do not have this book, please buy it. It's amazing. Equipped for Reading Success by David Kilpatrick. It tells you everything you need to know. But it does have the 1-minute drills in the back. And he does recommend that you add some instructional technique to these 1-minute drills. So students who are just learning these for the first time and they do not have them solid, they're making a lot of errors, they're going to need some manipulation. You're going to need to show them the parts and what you're taking away, do some syllable counting or some phoneme counting depending on which level they're at. To know which level your students are at, make sure you give the past assessment that he recommends in his book, and then you'll know exactly where to start them. Once they are able to do that task, but maybe they're not automatic at it, remember that they should be automatic within 2 seconds, have automaticity for each task. Then they can work on the ones where I'm going a little bit faster without manipulatives, and you can see throughout this how I add instruction and then I slowly scaffold and take that instruction away, and then I'm just doing the 1-minute activity verbally. In the D1 and D2 series, we're going to be working at the syllable level. We're going to be deleting initial and final syllables off of first compound words because it's a little bit easier to hear. And then as we get into D2, we'll be using two-syllable words and taking off one of those syllables, and those will not be compound words, so they'll be a little bit more challenging. And remember that our spoken syllables are not the same as our written syllables. So when you look at the 1-minute activities, it will show you how to divide it. Make sure you're paying attention to that and you're saying it exactly how it's said in that text. And also when we're looking at the syllable break, we're going to say it how we say it spoken because the students are not reading that word. So for example, in Monday, we don't say mon-day, we say Monday. So we're gonna add that schwa sound, to that initial syllable when we say it. So feel free to click on the videos, show them to your students, or use them to help you understand the instructional approach and how to use the 1-minute drills in your classroom. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe so you can keep up with this series as I go through the 1-minute drills.